Good morning. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance. We have scheduled 6 days live market program in the month of September to teach you how to trade in in the options and others. 6th, 9th, 12th, 16th, 19th, and 23rd September is the date for the program. 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. the program will be conducted in live market. The topics for the program will be as follows: how you can use the Gann trend reversal date for your trade benefit, how to do intraday trade using Elliot wave calculator, Camarilla, Fibonacci calculator along with option hedging. In live market, we will explain processes to do intraday trade in option, that too using the option scanner, and how to do use the intraday monthly top and bottom, and how to use our option strategy testing tool. So these are the things you are going to learn in this program. And besides that, also you'll be learning many. And to register for this program, either you visit the description link of this video. In the description link, we'll be sharing the registration link, or else you can visit our website smartfinancein.com, which will be appearing in this screen, and visit the seminar section of the website. So seminar section of the website or the webinar section of the website, once you visit, so you'll get the link to join this program. Do invite your friends for that. And if you have any query, any problem in the registration, then you can WhatsApp us. So we are sharing our WhatsApp number. If you are not able to register or any issue with the registration process, you can WhatsApp at 99411105705.